Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you control the account. Log into Milk Choco and verify the email shown in settings. Once done, make sure the app version supports name edits and that you have stable Wi-Fi. Edits sometimes fail on flaky networks. If possible, link an OAuth provider or copy security codes so you can recover access if something goes wrong. Now that prerequisites are set, navigate to the profile area and prepare to enter the editable display name field. You'll now perform the core change. Tap Profile, then Edit Name. Type your new name while observing the platform rules. Milk Choco typically enforces 3 to 16 characters and restricts special symbols, so choose letters, numbers, or underscores. Once typed, validate an app. Press check or preview to see how it displays. If validation fails, adjust length or remove banned characters. After the name passes validation, hit Save or Confirm. The system will attempt to update your live display name immediately. Finish by confirming the change and watching for an immediate success message. Then log out and back so caches refresh and other players see the update. If the name doesn't apply, make sure you didn't hit a rate limit. Many services impose a cooldown of 24 to 72 hours between name changes, so wait it out. If problems persist, contact Milk Choco support and include a screenshot of your attempted new name and any error messages. That helps resolve account-specific blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.